Hi, Ma'am Angelita. Good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I am Angelita Cancino. I'm 48 years old, married, and I'm from Cuyapo, Nueva Ecija, Philippines.
Okay. Do you have kids, ma'am?
Yes, Ma'am. I have one daughter, and she's 24.
Okay, 24 years old. How many siblings do you have, ma'am?
We are 3, Ma'am, and I'm the second one.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a high school graduate, Ma'am.
Okay. Can you please state the reason why you did not finish college, ma'am?
I didn't go to college due to lack of money, Ma'am.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, Ma'am, I have.
In what country, ma'am?
I worked before in Hong Kong, Ma'am, in 3 years.
Okay. As a domestic helper, ma'am?
Yes, Ma'am.
Then what are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper, ma'am?
My main duties is clean the house, washing, and I do also, Ma'am, ironing the clothes, and at the same time I do taking care of their daughter, age of 5.
Okay. Did you finish your contract, ma'am?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay. How would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm a trustworthy, Ma'am, hard working, that's all.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, Ma'am, I have in my arms.
Okay. Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, Ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
To my future and whole family, Ma'am.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, Ma'am.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I can talk to them, Ma'am,
Okay.
play with them, and reading books.
Okay. Your last question, ma'am. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to be a good employee,
Okay.
hardworking, trusty, and most of all, Ma'am, I can promise to finish my